I'm unboxing the Kalado Wi-Fi automatic pet feeder. With this feeder, you can schedule up to 10 feedings a day, or you can manually dispense a serving. You can control the feeder with an app on your phone and get alerts when the food level is low. The food container holds up to 128 ounces. The lid locks in place to protect the food, and you'd want to use dry pet food up to 3/4 of an inch in diameter. The base and the food container are connected. Remove the tape. Push in on the latch to remove the lid on the container. Inside the food container, you have the food tray, a stainless steel bowl, and the power cord. It comes with a silica packet for the lid to prevent moisture damage. The power cord plugs into the bottom of the base, and that's where you would put your batteries in case of a power outage.